Hi guys, this is Ben from Tech One. We are continuing with our series on tips and tricks. As a detailer, there are certain things you should look out for. You should know, in this particular example, this is a real life example. This is a government project, and I can tell you the name of the project. This is Ringwood Fire Station. Now, a bit of the problems I have with government project is how they completely screw over the taxpayer in terms of cost. And the reason being is because it's a government, nobody cares. Nobody cares. But I care because I'm a taxpayer. And you should care. If you're a detailer on a government job, you should try and think of ways that you can save cost for your immediate supply and ultimately the taxpayer, the government. So I want you to have a look here and see, tell me what I want to focus just on this element here. Where can you potentially save costs for the government, having regard to what is this? Well, like, what can we cut costs? Can we make things simpler or easier? Just in this area here. I'll give you 10 seconds and I will tell you my thoughts afterwards. All right, so hopefully you've directed your mind to think about this. It's important that you think because that's the only way you get stronger in the sense your mind is like a muscle. The more you exercise it, the stronger it gets. If you don't exercise it, there's no point watching these videos because they're not going to help you when you actually need it. Now, think about the purpose of this. The purpose is a simple fence. But look at what we have here. We have a post, I don't have a dimension here. Let me get a dimension. Give me one sec. Okay, I got a dimension here. We have a post every 1 meter. And over here, like, why do we need so many posts? Why? Likely this is an important question. Look at all this extra material. Look at all of this material needs to be fabricated, then put on site. Then you have a base plate here. Can we do with less? If you can save time or money, uh, you should put forward this proposal. Now, unfortunately, and I've seen this time and time again with government jobs, they don't care about the cost. They don't care, but still, you should direct your mind to think about this. It's so difficult to deal with engineers and architects and get them to coordinate to save money for the taxpayer because they don't. It sounds like a whinge, but possibly you can remove some of these posts. I mean, if you look here, there's a big gap between this post and this post. If that's the case, why can't we have a few more gaps here? These are the types of things you should ask as a good detailer. So if this was a private job, you could put this proposal forward and you'd save your client a lot of money. And that's what we want. Unfortunately, we can't really do this, so it is what it is. And unfortunately, this is how government projects are and why they are so out of budget and so delayed because nobody cares, but you should care. All right. This is a tips and tricks video. Thank you for watching.